Today's lesson is on volume. After today, you will be able to find the volume of a cube, rectangular prism, square pyramid, cylinder, cone, and sphere. First, we're going to find the volume of a cube. Our formula for volume of a cube is V equals A cubed, where A equals the side length. We could also say then that V equals S cubed, where again S is the side length. The length of each side of this cube is 8 meters. So V would equal 8 cubed, and 8 cubed is 8 times 8 times 8, and that equals 512. So the volume of this cube is equal to 512 cubic meters. Next, we're going to find the volume of a rectangular prism. The formula for volume of rectangular prism is volume equals LWH, or volume equals length times width times height. The length of this rectangular prism is 8 centimeters, the width is 12 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. So our volume would be equal to 8 times 12 times 4. And 8 times 12 times 4 equals 384. So our volume is equal to 384 cubic centimeters. Next, we're going to find the volume of a square pyramid. For our formula, we have that the volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. The area of the base is S squared because the base is a square, and to find the area of a square, we do side times side. So we can say that this formula would be volume equals 1/3 times S squared times H, where H is also the height. When we plug in our side, which is 5 feet, and we plug in our height, which is 11 feet, we have that the volume equals 1/3 times 5 squared times 11. Now we can multiply 1 times 5 squared, which is 25, times 11 for the numerator, and then that would be over 3 for the denominator. When we do 1 times 25 times 11 and divide that by 3, we're going to get that the volume equals 91.67 cubic feet, or 91 67/100 cubic feet. When we divide this out, we get 91.6 repeating. That's why we would round it to 91 67/100. Next, we're going to find the volume of a cone. Our formula is volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. The base is a circle, so to find the area of a circle, we do pi r squared. So our formula then can be written as volume equals 1/3 times pi r squared times h. When we plug all of our numbers in, we'd have the volume equals 1/3 times 3.14 times 3 squared, because the radius is 3 meters, and then times 6, because the height is 6 meters. 3 squared is 9, so now we have the volume is equal to 1 times 3.14 times 9 times 6, and that would be then over 3. When we multiply 1 times 3.14 times 9 times 6, and then we divide our answer by 3, we get that the volume equals 56.52 cubic meters, or 56 52/100 cubic meters. Next, we're going to find the volume of a cylinder. Our formula is that the volume equals the area of the base times the height. The base of a cylinder is a circle, and the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. So our volume is equal to pi r squared h. So it would be pi times the radius squared times the height. Pi would be 3.14. Our radius is 5 centimeters, and our height is 12 centimeters. So we have that the volume is equal to 3.14 times 5 squared times 12, and 5 squared would be 25. So we multiply 3.14 times 25 times 12, we get 942. So our volume is equal to 942 cubic centimeters. Now we're going to find the volume of a sphere. Our formula for volume of a sphere is volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. R would equal the radius, which is 6 inches. So our volume is equal to 4 times 3.14 times 6 cubed, and that would then be over 3. When we multiply 4 times 3.14 times 6 cubed, and then we divide our answer by 3, we get that the volume is equal to 904.32 cubic inches, or 904 3200 cubic inches. Don't forget to fill out your notes, and remember to watch the video again if needed.